back to my channel. I'm still working on my meal prep. It was supposed to be done 2 days ago. This happens to me a lot. I get distracted because I'll make something because I need to eat and then I won't finish. I'll get distracted by some other project I'm working on. I'm getting my projects done. That's the good news. The bad news is I'm still working on my meal prep and it's Wednesday and it was supposed to be done Monday. So I will show you what I have. And hopefully at the end of the video, I will finish. Because as of right now, I don't have much hope. Because I have one thing started. I have one thing set up to get ready to go. So we shall see. So we're making the chocolate crunch granola again. Because it's now become my favorite recipe. So this time, I'm going to make 4 batches because last time I only made 2 and I definitely could have had more. So we're gonna make 2 batches this time. So here we go. I have oatmeal. Oh, this book is in the I think it's the original. Yeah, it's the Trim Healthy Mama Cookbook. And it's page 254. So not hard to find. Let's see. Sweetener is 4 tablespoons, so 1/4 of a cup. Where my measurements go? All right. There we go. It is just the right amount of sweetener for me. I love this recipe. So let's see. 2 tablespoons of cocoa. Sure doesn't seem like a lot, but I've made this recipe before, so 1, 2. Alright. And pinch of salt. And I just need the coconut oil. It up. I think it's like you stir it for 5 minutes or something like that. And then you're good to go. So the first mistake I made, I forgot to put the coconut oil in first. I learned that trick last time. It's like, oops. If it goes in first, it goes in the bottom so it doesn't burn. And if it doesn't, this is what happens. See the pan? I can scrub it out easily. It's just, oops. Like, I know better, but do I do better? No. So I'll get my spatula and I'll mix it up. And I'll have my granola. Doesn't take very long. It's a really simple recipe, so I definitely put it on my need to make if you haven't tried it yet. The recipe also has one that you can put peanuts in it. I just choose to do the chocolate. And then it has a pumpkin and an apple one. I just don't do those, or haven't done them. This is my favorite version, so I just stick with this one. And it says just to cook it until everything turns brown. Mine almost turns kind of black though, because I just do chocolate and I don't do the peanut butter, so and I'll show you when I'm done. Dreamy chicken lasagna. I only did half the recipe because I have the chicken. this next one is little sweet, little spicy drumsticks, but I'm using tenderloin thighs because that's what I have. And it's in the same cookbook as the last recipe. It's in the Trim Healthy table, page 221. The other one is page 50. Alright, so let's get started. We need 2 teaspoons of super sweet one. I am actually just going to use stevia, so I don't want to go get a sweetener, so I'm just going to do this. Okay. And then we have garlic powder. Let's see, here we go. And we need a little less than a tablespoon, so 3/4. And then, let's see, paprika, about the same. And then we have, let's see here, cumin, and it's half. There we go. And then we have chili powder, which same. Okay. And then we have, so let's add a little more of this because I'm gonna have chipotle. And then we do salt. And we do the cayenne pepper. Okay. Alright. And then we add melted oil, so I'll melt the oil. Put this in here and excuse me, I'm gonna squeeze it. So I'm gonna mix this up. So it's gonna be kind of like a paste. And then we're gonna put it on the chicken. Okay, so this one is the pan one. That's why I got them mixed up. So I put it in the pan. I tried to put the last recipe in. Oops. Alright, let's get the pan. This is the lasagna all done, and it doesn't even look, it is actually very red, but you can't tell because it actually looks brown. It's a little bit better color here, but it looks really good and it smells really good too, so let's get to eating. Alright, so this is my acorn squash in my pressure canner, and we're going to turn it on for 15 minutes and cook it for my soup. So I'm going to try making the sea crackers from Trim Healthy Future. So I've made these before, but I think last time I burned them, so I'm hoping I'll do better this time. So let's get started with, let's see, 1 cup of sunflower seeds. Black seeds. Alright. Let's see. Pumpkin seeds. Not eat these very much. I should though. Okay. And then we got the baking blend. Let's see, salt. Oh boy, where did I put this salt? Here. There's the salt. And then we need with a cup of oil. So there we go. And then 3 cups of water. I'll be back with the 3 cups of water. So we got 1, 1/2, 2, 1/2. Right. Now it says to mix it up. And then let it sit for 35 minutes. And then we're going to bake it. So let's mix it up. I just find this kind of funny that it's gonna actually, it's so soupy. But it actually, I think I'm gonna go get a whisk and whisk this better. Get it mixed up any better. That already looks better. Alright, so that has to sit for 35 minutes and then we'll bake it. Now we're going to make the Choco Mint Crunch Greenie Meanies. So I haven't made these in a long time, so I'm hoping I don't screw them up. So let's see. So I have this done and I'm going to be cooking this. I think it's 24 minutes in the oven. And then you cut it with a pizza cutter and then you finish baking it. Or, I don't remember. I'll have to look. Anyway, I have 2 sheets of seed crackers. I'm super excited about the seed crackers. Nice crackers. Alright, so this is the, I think it's acorn, apple, butternut squash soup. I didn't put butternut in it because I had a huge acorn squash. Or may have not have been acorn, but it's a big, huge squash, so I'm just going to use one because I don't think I need it anymore. And then I did some apples. They use Yellow Delicious, but I just used the Russian ones that I had. So I'm going to put in a little bit of cloves. I don't know how much to put in because the recipe I'm following didn't have a specific amount. So, and some thyme. And then some sage. And I'm going to put some Cajun seasoning. that. I'm probably gonna be running the soup. So it'd probably be better if I didn't do like a big bunch of it. I love squash soup. I don't think my family likes it as much as I do. That this one isn't as hot. I can finish getting it out. Definitely to get it out, you know. Alright. I think that's it. So I'm just gonna mix that up. So I'm calling it quits. I don't think I'm going to do anything more tonight. I still have one more thing left, and I don't know if I'll finish it. It just kind of depends. I think it has a lot to do with the fact that I have it started, but I don't know if I'll get it finished, so we'll see. I think I'll just include it next week or something. So thanks for tagging along, keeping me company. I'm really glad I stuck to it and actually did it, because I was supposed to do it Monday and here it is Wednesday and I'm still working on it. So, but the good news is I have several meals. So it's not like I don't have anything to eat. I just wish that I had finished. So thank you for letting me share with you, and I'll see you later. Bye.